Live, gauges are in the green. We're gonna got a little crosswind in here. Pitching for VY at 80.
Good. Appears traffic 2000 MSL.
County traffic,
that way.
November 1159er Zulu.
Yep.
Taxiing from the ramp via Alpha for runway 6, Ocean County traffic.
Ocean County traffic, 2 Sierra Pop, just took off runway 6. We're at 600 feet. We'll be leaving the airspace to the northeast. Last call, Ocean County. McGuire approach, November 292, Sierra Papa.
November 292 Sierra Papa, McGuire approach.
Take your time. Flaps up.
Flaps up.
In transit. Visually verified.
Papa, LaGuardia Tower, altimeter 3008. What's your request?
Touch and go if feasible.
Alright, well, New York folks are going to have to work in. I can't do that because I'm not sure what traffic they're going to have inbound I-4. So if you want, just continue north on the East River, and I'm going to bring you north to the field and then hand you off to them.
Continuing north for the East River for 2 Sierra Pop, thank you.
Always a cool sight.
Yeah, take some pics for me, please.
You know what we didn't look for? The USS.
It's gone.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. About 2 weeks ago because they didn't have anybody on the ship.
Oh, okay. Never gone up the East River, only down.
Me neither.
And Cessna 2 Sierra Papa, you know what, enter right downwind. Right downwind, runway 31, you clear low approach, wind 19012.
Right downwind for 31292 Sierra Papa, clear for low approach.
There's City Field, Mets Stadium.
Oh yeah. You're a Mets fan, right?
I am a Mets fan. I'm proud. Man, not really, they suck.
To call yourself a fan for everything you've been through is a fan.
It's true. Yeah, they suck, but I still like them.
I'm going to just turn after City Field if you...
Yeah, make a turn around it.
Turns around a City Field.
Turns around a City Field. You ever done that maneuver in your private training? The what? Oh, we're going to do it. You're going to learn today.
Right.
I don't know what that is, that stadium or whatever. It might be a university. Not sure. With the white top there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's that globe that everyone takes pictures with. Huh. Yeah, people are there too. Got a quartering tailwind.
Sir?
2 Sierra Papa, turn right heading 040, climb maintain 1,500.
040, 1,500, 2 Sierra Pop. Appreciate that.
The airport.
It says 2 Sierra Papa, contact New York approach 120.8.
120.8, good day, thank you.
2 Sierra Papa, that'll be up to the next controller, and you're making the right turn now towards Kennedy?
Affirmative.
What are you planning to?
Okay, I guess he,
2 Sierra Papa, what are you climbing to?
1,500 as instructed.
good throwing that one in there, as instructed. Yeah. They did instruct 040 though.
November 292 Sierra Papa, runway 22 right, use caution, the previous departure was a 787, wind 190 at 6, fly runway head in, cleared for takeoff.
292 Sierra Papa, cleared for takeoff, flight runway heading. Gauges are in the green, airspeed's alive. 40 knots, 50 knots, 55, and a gentle rotate right now at 60.
Yeehaw.
Sierra Papa, you can climb and maintain 2,000.
2,000, 292 Sierra Papa.
Cool.
Ocean County traffic, 2 Sierra Papa, downwind, runway 24, Ocean County.